All right, so today I'm going to be discussing my term project on stem cells. So stem cells by definition are undifferentiated cells that do not yet have a function within the human body, right? These stem cells can be found in a multitude of places. Just name a few off this list. They are found in the brain, bone marrow, peripheral blood, blood vessels, skeletal muscle, skin, teeth, heart, gut, and the liver. The origins of stem cells dates back to 1963 with Ernest and James, as they're working with experiments on bone marrow. They're trying to see, okay, where does this blood come from? The specialized blood. Specialized blood had a function, and they wanted to see, okay, where did this blood originate from? So they did a couple of tests, and they found where it came from, and they realized that it all goes back to stem cells, and this can be applied to any given cell in the human body with a function. This, at one point in time, did not have a function. So, as I said in my paper, within our body, stem cells act as a foundation for every organ and tissue within our body. There are many stem cells that come from different places. Just to name a few, there are pluripotent, there's totipotent, there is embryonic stem cells, tissue-specific stem cells, and induced pluripotent stem cells. Stem cells represent an exciting area of medicine because of their potential to regenerate and repair damaged tissue. So stem cells has a large number of application within the science and medicinal purposes department. Stem cells can be used to repair tissue. They can be used to treat certain things, treat certain diseases. So these questions as such are still being investigated today. This is actually, as I mentioned in my paper, this is very analogous to the starfish. When they break a limb, they can asexually reproduce and fragment to make that new limb regenerate again. But with stem cells can find a function for any given thing. So, outside of anything in science, there poses ethical issues, and I went through a large number of them in my paper, but just to be brief about it, stem cells poses an issue on combining artificial science with natural science. This idea of manipulating embryos for scientific purposes, some people just don't like. They want to go the old-fashioned way, natural. They don't want anybody messing with the embryo and human development as such. Also, just some certain questions, this idea of whether can the world participate in stem cell research, and the answer is not currently, no. Stem cells is a very, very advanced topic. It requires a lot of materials such as nanotechnology and a lot of instrumentation that some countries yet don't have. Some countries aren't technologically advanced yet. So as a result, they really can't participate in this, but I'm sure in the near future they will be able to participate in that.